Mom, Happy Mother's Day. Simple lang. Thank you and I love you. Sorry kung pinapakasakit ko yung ulo niya ni Dad. Mana kasi ako sa'yo, sabi ni Mama. Well, anyways, yun nga, I wouldn't have any mom take over your place. Sobrang thank you. I'm very thankful to have an understanding and patient mom like you. So yun, Mommy, Happy Mother's Day. I love you so much. And sorry ulit, sorry 100 times, sorry. Ingat ka dyan. Thanks sa mga sacrifice niya ni Dad. We really appreciate it here kasi sino bang magtatrabaho for us kundi kayong dalawa. So yun, malapit na tayong magkita and magsama. Love you so much. Happy Mother's Day. And along with this video pala is the thoughts of Tita Ruth. Happy Mother's Day daw and she loves you. Bye!